Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss about how to access from one file to another file. Okay. So first of all we will understand the normal, like how we can writing in one file. Okay. Then we can understand like how to access from one file to another file. Suppose there is multiple file. Okay. In main.c I call that function which are created any function like add or subtraction, any function you are created which one you are calling in main. Then how it will go to dot h, how it will go to in add.c. Okay, another file. Okay, how we can access. So that's what we are going to see here. Okay, we can understand. Okay, so first of all I will write a small program in a same file. Okay, suppose I created one file like function dot c. Okay, this is one file where int main. Okay. So add int a int b. Okay, here declaration I given the created function add and with the parameters a and b. Okay, in a int b. Okay, this is what the function which we have created. This is the declaration of that function. This is the definition of function. Okay, add function I created. Okay, so we know, right, that function whether it is the parameters with return type or without return type. Okay, so here we are created with return type. Okay, so given parameter int a and b. Okay, so we are directly return a plus b. Also we can do that, otherwise we can store in some another variable a plus b. Okay, and return c. Like this we can also do. Okay, so this is the function definition where we are written the logic. Okay, a plus b do addition for with given that parameters. Okay, and returning c. Now this function I will call it main function. Okay, this is main function where which are calling that function which are already created. Okay, so add with parameters. So we are not given any value that parameter. So here we can declare int a equal to 40, int b equal to 20. Okay, give the value 40, 20. Okay, this function we are calling here, right? This is the calling function. Okay, we have to store in some variable. Okay, int data with variable I created, we are storing adding that. Okay, so this is the normal function, right? We can write in one file. We are written in one file. We are written in function.c. This is the declaration of that function. This is the definition, and this is the that function we are calling in. Okay, and here we will print. Okay, print percentage d. Okay, that variable. Okay, so the output should be 60. It will come. Okay, so this is the normal function where we are writing in one function. Suppose I have to write in different function, like I have to create different .h file and .c and main.c. Okay, so how we will access? We have to give some header file or library path we have to give. Okay, so that's how we are understanding. Okay, so let's start. Okay, see, so first of all create add. Okay, with return. Okay, return a plus b. Okay, so this is what, this is the take file name like add dot c. This is the file name, another file. Okay, okay, this is take create main file, main dot c. Okay, okay, then create another file like add dot h. Okay, so there is three file. Okay, right, one two three file we are created. How we are going to write same program in another files. Okay, and how we are going to access, what we have to give the header files or library file, that what we are going to see here. Okay, so I created add.c. Okay, so for that we have to write the header file, right? H include add.h. Okay, why we are created? Because this header file or library file we have to give in this file we have to give the access here, then it will take the declaration. Okay, in declaration we have to add. Okay, so this is add.h, this is the declaration file name, right? So that should be take, that's why we are using here in add.c. Okay, and in main we have to give h include greater than a studio, that is h, then we have to give the declaration dot h file name. Okay, include add dot h. Why we are giving here? Because our declaration, why we are giving here add dot h, that file name, because our declaration is given in dot that add dot h file. Okay, so when we want to access we have to give that file name. Okay, that file name is add dot h. So that's we have to write here. Okay, with in h include add dot h. Okay, with quotation in add dot c also and main also, both we have to write that we it will access the declaration. Okay, and we are writing in declaration in dot add dot h file. Okay, so int add int a. Okay, so this is the declaration of that function, add function. Okay, so here both file name we are given, right? For add dot h here given, in main also given. Okay, now in dot h we have to write the another micro. Okay, micro to access. Okay, because here declaration is there, right? Function we are calling function here in main. Okay, so we will call here, right? And before that create any variable, assign some value. Okay, equal to 20. Okay, 40 20, store in some variable. Okay, okay, then print. Okay, so here we are, how it will work. The first it will check the function call. Okay, function call, it will go to the library, declaration is there or not. Okay, declaration is there, the how it will access, if there is another file, then we have to write the macros, because macro it will always declare in global function, and we can access in another file if there, we can easily access. Okay, so that's why we are using here in dot h micro h define that file name we have to give add underscore h. So if you will give h define add.h, because h define is nothing but this is one type of micro, and micro we can declare in always in global. Okay, we know these things, right? So if you will give that, then it will access from one file to another file. Okay, here if you will writing this tag, we can easily access from one file to another file. Okay, we are created separate i.c, main.c created, and dot h. So in dot h what we are giving, in dot h always we are writing the declaration. Okay, okay, declaration we are given which are created function in in i.c. Okay, so this function always we have to declare in the dot h, and in dot c we are writing the logic. Okay, right? And in main we are always calling that function which we are created in i.c. Okay, so this is how it will be work. Okay, and it will access from one file to another file. Okay, so here same, right? First of all it will check function, right? Function call add. Okay, it will check the declaration. Yeah, declaration is there, int nb. What is the logic here? We are returning a plus b. Okay, so what is the value of a? 40 plus 20, and output should be 60. Okay, the output should be print. We have to keep in mind what here, this header file we have to keep in mind where we have to add. Okay, what we have to add in i.c. Okay, what is the declaration file name, any file name, that you should have to add it with double quotation. Okay, that should we have to remember. In main also we have to write that declaration. Okay, add dot h file. Okay, and in dot h you have to write the micro h define and that file name, declaration file name, right? Add dot h. You can write in caps also, you can write in a small also, no issue. Okay, but it should be in micro h define. Okay, then you can easily access. Okay, so yeah, this is what I want to explain you guys. I hope you are getting, I hope you understand. Okay, so yeah, you can try. Okay, thank you. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video.